Hello friends, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel for another Procreate tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to add even almost automatic outline for your artwork. Basically turning an image from this to this. So for this tutorial I'm going to use one of my old artwork. I have inserted this image for which I'm going to add the outline. When we deselect the background color layer, we could only see this single image. The curved outer portion of the image will have our desired seamless outline at the end of this tutorial. So I'm going to select this layer again, and here you can choose whatever color that you desire for your background. And now we are going to select the color for our outline. You can choose whatever color that you desire, and I'm going to choose white for this tutorial. Now that we are done selecting our colors, so let's begin working with the layers. As the first step, I'm going to duplicate my artbook, and I'm going to press and hold the checkbox button so only the duplicated image will be selected. And now I'm going to move over to the selection tool, and we need to make sure this automatic option is selected, and I'm going to use my Apple Pencil to drag back and forth to see the threshold. It depends how much of threshold you require for this, and make sure it doesn't overlap or cover your artwork. So I'm going to release this, and then we have to press this invert tool here, and then you have to click this feather option and increase the amount of outline thickness that you desire, and this is my selection. Now we need to expand the layers, and we will notice the selected area is now filled with white color, and we are going to add a new layer and turn the clipping mask on. Again, we have to select the layer and turn the fill layer on, and now this white color would have filled this entire layer. Now we are going to select these two layers and merge them together and bring it below the artwork that we are working on. Now we are going to duplicate this layer and make sure it is the only layer that is visible, and we are going to select the selection tool and make sure this automatic option is turned on, and we are going to play around with this threshold. The pink color outline is going to be the thickness of our outline, so I'm going to select it up until here and then select invert. Now expand this layer and make sure the other layers visibilities are turned on, and we can merge these layers together and we are done. At first it may be overwhelming to some of us, but once we get the hang of it, it is going to be very handy at times. Now with these methods, we do not have to worry about drawing this outline manually ever again, because we are not going to always get this outline perfectly if we were to draw it by hand. And that's it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any new Procreate videos. Till then, stay safe and take care. Goodbye.